as I keep on telling that the youth people have also realized that they are being taken up the gum path, the gum tree on the wrong path by the people within their own community. And as I keep on urging that this is a fight against the anti-national, anti-social elements which has to be taken by the people themselves. We need to ensure that the children come out, compete fairly, they study, educate themselves, become responsible citizens of the country. They take the respect of in the society. They fulfill the dreams of their own parents. No father or mother wants his child to go on to the street and pelt stone. But there are vicious elements which motivate them through various means and take them out onto the streets. Firstly, let me just club the two questions. One question is about ceasefire violations and second is attempt for infiltration in the winters and beyond. There has been no increase in ceasefire violations. This year there has been none. At least in the Kashmir Valley, there has been zero, and therefore I must tell you that while we are totally prepared for any ceasefire violation, if anything happens, we are all set to respond appropriately. But frankly, there has been no instigation from across the border. Second aspect is about infiltration. There has been some attempts, unlike previous years, which has not been adequately supported by the thing. There have been hardly any successful attempts. There have been, as per my knowledge, only about 2 attempts have succeeded. One was neutralized, as you are well aware, in Bandipur, and we are looking for the second one, which has been successful. There has been an operation which has been ongoing for last about 24 hours in Uri, in which we felt that there is an infiltration attempt which has been made. We are looking for them. Are they on this side, or they, after having made an attempt, they have gone back? That issue has not yet been clarified or verified on the ground. But however, I can assure you that we are quite alert. Our troops on the ground are totally alert, and we will ensure that minimal infiltration takes place whenever the attempt is made.
सर, कुछ विदेशी मिलिटेंट सक्रिय हैं घाटी में, क्योंकि
नहीं, देखिए, पहली बात यहाँ पे विदेशी मिलिटेंट के नाम पर पाकिस्तानी टेररिस्ट ही हैं। वो आपको मेरे ख्याल से आईजीपी साहब और डीजीपी साहब ने कई बार बता दिया है। ये सब उनका महकमा है और उनके हिसाब से तकरीबन 60 से 70 के आसपास यहाँ पे पाकिस्तानी टेररिस्ट होने की संभावना है। और ठीक है, वो उनका जो नज़रिया है, उनकी जो स्ट्रैटेजी है, वो ये है कि हम आगे बढ़ के कोई टेररिस्ट अटैक नहीं करेंगे, मगर हम जो लोकल यूथ है उसको किसी न किसी तरह मोटिवेट करके कोई ना कोई एक्शन कराएंगे। कोई ना कोई यंग आदमी को, जवान को, यूथ को उसके हथियार दे करके उसे किसी न किसी तरह से एनकाउंटर में उसको मरवाएंगे। उससे उनका फ़ायदा है। फ़ायदा ये है कि एक यंग लड़का हमारे देश का, हमारे कश्मीर का जब मारा जाता है तो उससे एक परिवार और इससे एक परिवार के साथ के जो लोग होते हैं वो हमारे से नाराज़ होते हैं। ये उनका स्ट्रैटेजी है। आप देख लीजिए, वो कोई ऑपरेशन करते नहीं हैं, चुपचाप पीछे छुपे रहते हैं। कोशिश ये करते हैं कि एक लड़का जो किसी गलत राह पे किसी तरीके से चला गया है, उसी को वो सामने रख करके मरवाने की